Welcome back to Fixin' 2. In today's video, we're going to be cleaning up this truck because it's absolutely disgusting and nasty. We're going to be showing y'all what's underneath the rubber floor mat. We might even pop off the tires to show y'all the drum brakes and stuff.
Welcome to Fixin' 2. Alright. Alright.
So we have a bit of disgustingness. Oh, look at this! Shingle. Okay. Oh.
Get the camera.
Seconds of pulling this stuff off. We have all sorts of rusty disgustingness. Shingles. That's nice.
Now it wants to tear for me. Gotta threaten it.
That's gonna be fun. Don't do that.
It's pretty solid.
Not. About 4 minutes into cleaning, and this thing is just disgusting. Like, it's not disgusting as in like it just looks bad. It's just like the paint is just dirt everywhere. Okay, insert broken knee. Oh, yep. Oh, that's $1,000 damage right there. Did you rub this?
Yeah.
Okay, so y'all, before and after.
Yesterday.
Before.
Or 2 days ago. I don't know.
Yeah. Shut up, Crow. So now we're rotary buffing here, and Harrison in his tree hugger ways deciding to do it by hand, while me in my Gen Z ways deciding to do it with a machine. Come on. There we go. It wasn't open. There we go.
And it. Yep.
Now there's stuff all over me. Great. Okay, got my buff wiper.
Oh, these are huge.
I continue with my buffing while he tries to find a socket big enough to take the wheels off. Found one big enough?
27 millimeter.
For you British people out there who use metric millimeters and centimeters. That was a horrible accent. I don't like how much that bows. Deep squat. I can't watch.
I think it went.
I think it went. Oh gosh. Now you have to do that how many more times? It's smoking.
Yeah.
Wait, is it smoking or is it?
That's smoke.
Oh gosh. So the owner of the truck told us that. Ouch. Okay. So the owner of the truck told us that the accelerator pedal was sticking, and as we can see here, it totally does. So I think I'm gonna try to take it out and see if we can get it loose with some PB Blaster. And this engine is so big, and I am so small to the point that I have to get in here to be able to do anything. So we are going to find a comfortable way to sit. We're gonna wrench on this thing. Okay, should be out now. And my shoe's stuck. Come on. There we go. Ouch. Okay. Come in here. Okay.
Yeah, I'll look to the video. Oh gosh, that's heavy. We still got brakes. The throttle cable has a spring on it. All right, let's see what these look like. Oh! Little bit of a ridge. Not bad though. And a little worse there. Just a bit. Not bad though. I don't see much. I don't see any bad heat scoring or anything. Oh, we have a different kind of wheel cylinder. I guess that means we're gonna get more stopping power when we upgrade. It looks like this isn't normal.
It's different.
Yeah. Oh, that's shot. So there's that. We'll pretend we didn't see that.
What is different about it?
There's only one
It's
piston
only on
instead
one
of.
side?
Yeah, it
Are you sure
looks.
it's not supposed to have on the other side?
I mean, it looks like. Well, brakes have obviously been done at some point because I doubt it came with that off factory if it was just going to be that. I wonder. It looks like it might still take. I bet it would still take the 2 caliper ones and probably get more stopping
Man,
power.
this is our first time messing with something like this, so our automotive knowledge is
Limited.
limited. So, I mean, if it only has one side, then maybe that's just how it is, and I'm not sure how it pushes out on that back side. But
It doesn't.
I've never seen one like that. Like that's not. I mean, it's not supposed to be that way.
Or maybe the idea was that it was if it just had one piston, then it was going to get more stopping power in the front or something. Maybe that was the idea.
Putting it back in because it's like 80 times looser now. You know, just some PB Blaster. Stuff's magic, I swear. Before, we didn't have PV Blaster. We just got some like 30, 20, 15 minutes ago. There we go. Number 2. I think I'm gonna put it in kind of loose-ish, so I can test to see if the thing is still sticky. Actually, I could probably do it right now. Yeah, it's like 20 times looser. I'm just gonna do this real quick so I can tell. Ow, knuckle buster. Come on. There you go. Don't think there's a right and wrong way to do this. Yes! We're golden, baby! Finally. Okay, so I should be able to just... That should be it. I'm just gonna... Yeah, that is like so much looser. Yep. Now she's loose. Good. Ooh, guys, that's a workout on the old legs. Oh, okay. Foot test. Okay. Crossing fingers. Yep, she works. Well, guys, it's the next day, and did a lot of stuff yesterday. We cleaned it up really good, and rotary buffed the paint. It looks a lot better, and it's really smooth. We took the wheels off, and we're probably gonna be cleaning up a lot of the hardware and reusing it, like the springs and stuff. But it really did clean up nice. A lot of this was covered in just grime and grossness. The back, I think, is my favorite part. It's just, I love the color combinations. And like the white. It cleaned up really good. Got all the mildew off. The inside, we're probably gonna have to pay someone to redo the floor for us and put the benches back in and stuff. I think on camera, we took the back wheels off. We can't figure out how to get this part off inside here. It's just really stuck and it's really heavy from what Harrison said. We're gonna get that out, even if we can. Yeah. If you liked the video, guys, click the like button below. If you like our channel and what we do, subscribe. It's always free and you can always change your mind, but please don't change your mind, ... We always have content coming out, and yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this video. Catch us in our next one.